try your best to create interest in studies by thinking about them, about what we are studying, in terms of inducing pleasures. So that is a mediocre approach for this. Now, the students which achieves optimal results are because they are somehow able to manage the interaction between their mind and brain in an optimal or mediocre way. For example, let me to illustrate that with an example. Suppose there is a question that there is a rigid body, it's placed on the ground, and you apply certain force F on it, and the force is in such a way that it is applied at a distance of h from the center of mass of the rigid body. Then we need to find the acceleration of the center of mass and the friction required to do so. So how a normal student will proceed is he will write equation that net force is mass into acceleration center of mass. Then he will write torque equation, then conditions for pure rolling, then result of moment of inertia. Using these four equations, you will be arriving at the fact that ACM is equal to this and Fs is equal to this. Now the algorithms that student use are simple. So the simple algorithms involve these 6 steps, whereas the algorithms which uses heuristics or shortcuts, that means use of memory without analysis. So you just remember these two results for ACM and Fs. So it liberates you from 6 steps, saves your time and energy. So it is the use of multiple parts of the brain which enables you to fetch good results. Now using this heuristic, suppose there is a problem given that the force is 200 Newton, mass is 5 kg, R is 2 centimeter, height is 1 centimeter. So if you substitute the value of ACM over here, you get directly acceleration as 40 meter per second square. And using the same expression, if you calculate Fs comes out to be 0 over here. So you have seen that there are no much complex problems involved, much steps involved, if you can remember the results. This is what most of the clever students do. They just memorize the results. They just develop certain sort of heuristics and repeat